There are various betting strategies out there which supposedly give positive profits in the long run. And maybe they do, but there's almost always some luck involved. Even if you have a great betting strategy that should make you money, you could always get really unlucky and lose everything. However, there definitely are ways to make guaranteed money on betting sites. This means placing bets such that no matter what outcome occurs, we will make a profit. We are thus removing luck from the equation. This is a form of arbitrage betting, and I'll be going through one example of this in this video. For this method, you'll need to be on Sky Bet when they offer their virtual surge event. This event is offered 2 times per week. You will only see it on the site while it is running, which is from 9:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. London time on Wednesdays and Fridays. It says that you will get a £5 free bet if you stake £10 on virtual sports. Now, this is actually a pretty good deal in itself and is worth betting on even if you aren't going in with a set strategy. However, we can come up with a way of placing bets such that we're guaranteed to make a profit every time. Now, there are ways of placing your bets to make slightly more money than this, but this is the method I use because it's simple to do and you're less likely to make a mistake. Step 1 is to make sure you are opted in to the promotion. The method won't work if you don't do this. Step 2 is to go onto virtual football and find a match with these specific odds. We're looking at the over and under 2.5 goals market, and we want odds on under of 8 to 15 and over of 11 to 8. There should always be 1 or 2 games with these odds, so just flick through until you find one. Step 3 is to bet £8 on under and £2 on over. You will now receive your £5 free bet as you've staked £10 in total on virtual sports. Step 4 is to place this £5 free bet on over 2.5 goals on the same virtual football match that you have already bet on. And that is it. Now all you have to do is wait for the match to be played and you will make a profit. If we now look at the bets we've placed, we see why this gives us guaranteed profit. Remember, we've only put down £10 of our own money. We then put down the £5 free bet we got from Sky Bet for free. We can see that if there are under 2.5 goals in the match, we will win £12.27. If there are over 2.5 goals in the match, we will win £4.75 plus £6.88. This gives us a total of £11.63. These are the only 2 possible outcomes, so we either make a profit of £2.27 or £1.67. No matter what happens, we will make a profit. We make more profit if there are under 2.5 goals, and this is good because this is the more likely outcome. It has shorter odds, meaning it happens more often. I worked out how often exactly this happens, so here is my working if you're at all interested, but if you don't really care, basically I found that under 2.5 goals wins around 60.8% of the time, and over 2.5 goals wins 39.2% of the time. We will make profit every time we do this, but on average we'll win this calculation, which is £2.02 every time. This promotion runs twice per week, so earning £2.02 each time will be £210.08 over the whole year. The least we can win using this method is £169.52 in a year, and that's if we're unbelievably unlucky and over 2.5 goals wins every single time. And when I say unbelievably unlucky, I mean this would happen 1 in about, well, this many times. And even if this happens, we still make a tidy profit. The most we can win is £236.08, but this is also pretty unlikely. So there's your risk-free way to make around £200 per year. Once you get used to using this method, it should only take around 30 seconds to put your bets on. This would mean that, on average, you're earning over £240 per hour that you do this, so chances are that it's worthwhile for you to do. Even if you don't do it every time, it's a good thing to know if you happen to be on the app and spot that the promotion is running. Here are some common mistakes to avoid so you don't mess up and make a loss. The first one is forgetting to opt in. Double check you've opted into the promotion, as if you don't do this, you won't get the free bet and you might lose money. Sometimes Sky Bet is a little slow and the free bet takes a minute or two to come through on your account, so choose a game at least, say, 10 minutes in the future to mitigate the risk of the bet not coming through before the game occurs. If the game starts before you've put the free bet on, you could also lose money. Another mistake is betting on two different games. When you place your initial £10 in stakes, you get sent to a different screen and might forget which game you bet on. If you're confused, just go and look at your bets to see which game you bet on the first time, and make sure you put the free bet on over 2.5 goals on the same match. Again, betting on different matches can lose you money. As long as you don't make any of these mistakes, this method is guaranteed to earn you a profit. It's not going to make you millions, but it's a nice way to add to your betting account and maybe give you the funds for a nice 1,000 to 1 accumulator every weekend. So that's all for this video. Please do leave a like if you found it useful and if you might start using this method. Check out the playlist for more videos like this one and subscribe to add some Econ to your subscription feed.